প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আমি দশম শ্রেণীর ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্র ক্লাসটা আজকে নেব। তো দীর্ঘদিন করোনার মহামারীর কারণে দীর্ঘদিন যাবৎ ক্লাস বন্ধ থাকার কারণে সরকারি সিদ্ধান্ত মোতাবেক এবং আমাদের গাজীপুর জেলা শিক্ষা অফিসের সিদ্ধান্ত মোতাবেক আমরা অনলাইনে কিছু কিছু ক্লাস নেওয়ার সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছি। সেই মোতাবেক আমি গোসাতরা ডাক্তার জলিলুর রহমান উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের দশম শ্রেণীর একটি ক্লাস নিচ্ছি। আমি নজরুল ইসলাম, সহকারী শিক্ষক, গোসাতরা ডাক্তার জলিলুর রহমান উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়। ওয়েলকাম টু মাই ক্লাস। টুডে আই উইল teach you from Unit 8, Lesson 4, Lake Baikal. At first, in Section 1, look at the picture and talk about it. Section B, word in pairs and ask and answer the following questions. Dear students, what do you think it is? Where is this situated? Are you familiar with something like this? 1 minute and think about the picture. After that, we will read Section C. Then you will have the necessary information. Now I am reading you Section C. Pay your complete attention to me. Lake Baikal is the deepest and one of the highest, biggest and most ancient lakes of the world. It is situated almost in the center of Asia. Lake Baikal is a gigantic. Here is a new word, gigantic. Gigantic bowl set at 445 meters above sea level. This grand, enormous, unusual and charming miracle, here one more new word, miracle. Miracle of nature is located in the south of eastern Siberia in the Buryat Autonomous Republic and region of Irkutsk, Russia. The lake covers 31,500 square kilometer. It is 636 kilometer long and an average of 48 kilometer wide. The widest point of the lake is 79.4 kilometer. The water basin occupies 5,57,000 square kilometer and contains 23,000 cubic kilometer of water, which is about 1/5 of the world's reserves of fresh surface water. Here, surface, one more word. The average water level in the lake is never higher than 456 meter. The average depth of the lake Baikal is 730 meter and its maximum depth in the middle is 1620 meter. It would take about 1 year for all the rivers of the world to fill Baikal's basin and would take 400 years for all the rivers, streams and brooks now flowing into Siberian Lake Sea to do the same. There are hot springs in the surroundings area of the Lake Baikal. The quality of the water of this spring is excellent. The lake acts as a powerful generator and biofilter producing this water. Baikal is a stormy lake. Autumn is the most stormy time. The wind blows in the various directions. The weather depends on the wind. If it is blowing from the north, the weather is bright and stormy. Here is a miracle that the water color is changed according to the flowing of wind. The water of the lake looks green and dark blue, but if the wind gets stronger, Baikal turns black. When its wind is turned into stormy, the water completely turn into black. Waves rising high will white crest, the beauty of Lake Baikal is exceptional. Here one more new word, exceptional. Now I am here, I have written 4 words. I am now giving you the Bangla meaning. Gigantic means প্রকাণ্ড, বিশাল। মিরাকল অলৌকিক, অলৌকিক। সারফেস উপরিভাগ, উপরিভাগ বা পৃষ্ঠদেশ, পৃষ্ঠদেশ। এক্সেপশনাল, এক্সেপশনাল means ব্যতিক্রম, ব্যতিক্রম। Now go to section D. Match the words with the meaning. Miracle, miracle. There is only 5 words: miracle, basin, brook, crest, exceptional, and the meaning is on the right side. Miracle means an act, an act believed to be caused by God, believed to be caused by God. Basin, basin means small, bowl, bowl shaped. Depression, depression filled with water. Filled with water. Brook, small stream. Crest, crest means top. Exceptional, exceptional means outstanding, outstanding. Dear students, now go to next section, section E. Read the text in C again and complete the chart. Now you have to complete a chart given in section E. Lake Baikal, Lake Baikal, information, information. তাহলে তোমাদেরকে লেক বৈকাল সম্পর্কে কিছু তথ্য এখানে দিতে হবে। By this time we have already read the lesson, and according to lesson we will have to complete the chart. Location, at first location, location. Where Lake Baikal is located? It is located in almost Central Asia. Located in the southeastern Siberia. Located in the south of eastern Siberia. Siberia. You will get all the information in the lesson, so you must one more time, you have to read one more time the lesson. Sitting, placed. Placed. Placed, just one word, Russia. Length. Length means দৈর্ঘ্য। দৈর্ঘ্য হচ্ছে the lake covers 31,500 square kilometer, it is 636 kilometer long. তাহলে 636 kilometer length. Next, width. Width means, this is a noun word. Width, which is 48 kilometer. Average width 48 kilometer. Maximum depth. এবার নেক্সট ইনফরমেশন আমাদের দিতে হবে ম্যাক্সিমাম ডেপথ। Maximum depth. The widest point of the lake is where the water basin occupies about fifth word basic reserve surface. It is 36 km long and an average of 48 km. The widest point of the lake is 79 km. This is the maximum means সর্বোচ্চ প্রশস্ততা হচ্ছে 79.4 km. এটা হচ্ছে সর্বোচ্চ প্রশস্ততা। নেক্সট, utmost highest depth. Highest depth. Highest depth, সর্বোচ্চ গভীরতা। The average of level lake is never higher than 40 meter. The average depth of the lake Baikal is 730 meter. আর এখানে সবচেয়ে গভীরতা ম্যাক্সিমাম ডেপথ ইজ মিডল 1620 20 meter. Dear student, you must complete the table according to the lesson, and at first you have to read the lesson more than one times, and you will have to catch the necessary information, and then you will complete the table and answer the question given at first of the lesson. This is Lake Baikal is a very important lesson, and there is a possibility to come this lesson in the next test examination and SSC level. It is very important lesson, and you will give importance on this lesson. You must complete it with seriously, read seriously. Dear students, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.